Hey, I had a client send me an email last night saying, I don't know what to do about this situation because the program is just about to sell out. And she was completely not expecting this. And it's like such a great problem to have. But how do we get to that point where we have those kinds of problems? If you're not making offers, if you're not putting it out there, nobody's going to know what you're doing. And I know, believe me, I know from my soul how hard it is to remember that people need what you are giving them or what you're offering them or what you're selling them. And if you are not telling them about it, they can't sign up. So if you're not offering in a way that feels good to you, you're never going to get where you want to go. You must be putting yourself out there, even in baby steps. So I want to encourage you. For this particular client, she did not want to do the 37 launch emails. She did not want to do the 5-day challenge leading into something. She just wanted to do a launch in a way that felt good to her. So what did we do? We actually decided which strategy she liked. She wanted to email the list, the people that she had a warm relationship with. She actually sent some emails, very targeted emails, inviting people in, telling stories in her emails about the problem and the solution that she was offering. She also reached out to people who are in her warm market. We're not talking about sliding into somebody's DMs in a way that feels slimy. We're talking about connecting with the people who have already raised their hand to say, I really like what you do. And she wound up from her email list and her warm connections and former clients that she reached back out to personally. And she's filling her program. She has one spot left. And it feels good to her. She doesn't feel exhausted by it. She didn't have to do a million things. It's a small launch, yes, but it matters. If you're not putting yourself out there regularly and you're not telling people, and this is me showing up for you to say, I need to take my own medicine and do the same damn thing. We have to let people know what we have. So this is just me telling you, it doesn't have to be like everybody else does it. You can really do it in your own way. Yes, it takes effort. It takes strategy. It takes work. It takes having the right words. It takes having your content ready to go. But it can be done and it doesn't have to feel gross. I really hope on the cusp of whatever's next for you that you remember you have to show up for people or they're not going to know you're even existing. I hope this is helpful. I would love to hear. Why don't you put below what you're launching? Why don't you tell us about your offer? Go ahead and put your offer here. Maybe somebody in my audience needs to hear your offer. So go ahead, do that. Let's hear it. I hope this is helpful. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.